Alright guys, back to a new video. We are today repairing another FRITZ box, or investigating what the problem is. We have here a FRITZ box. It's the FRITZ box 7530AX. We can see it here. FRITZ box 7530AX. It's already labeled by my inventory number. This is actually quite a cool FRITZ box. It's small, it has DSL and Wi-Fi 6, so very nice. And yeah, I bought it on eBay and the seller said, okay, it won't turn on. So let's have a look on it. Good. So we will unscrew the back. All right. Okay. Okay. That last one. Okay. So then let's open it. Okay. So this is the PCB from rear to. So from a first look, it looks quite good. Nothing is burned or anything else. So this looks quite well. Okay, so what we're gonna try is now we will connect it with the power and see how much power it takes. So we will use the USB power meter. You can see it here. Okay, it shows 12 volts. And let's connect this to the FRITZ box and look what happens. Oh, it goes off. So okay, that means we have a short. We have a direct shortcut of the primary power input. Let's quickly cross-check this with the multimeter. Good, we have ground and you can see we have a short already. It's very small, so I expect that here something is already producing the ground. Okay, then let's have a closer look to it. Alright, coming back to the board with the short, we have seen that there's a short on the power jack, and we will inspect that now. If we looked on the back, we see that here's the input power jack connected, and here are some power supplies for different functions on the board. For instance, microprocessor board, Wi-Fi, DECT, and so on. Let's have a look under the microscope. All right, okay. We can see here's the power jack connected, and here is actually the first power supply. But this looks quite good to me. I can't see any suspicious thing here. Just thinking that a cap is probably the problem. Maybe we can see it somewhere. I think this all looks good to me. Let's go over here. And here we found maybe the problem. If you look at this cap doesn't look good. So it looks like here it's broken. You see that it's color change, probably because of thermal heat. So this one could already be our candidate. Let's have a closer look to the other caps. But this looks good. That looks good. Okay. I think the rest looks good to me. We can have a quick look on the caps here. They also look good. Okay, coming back. Checking now where the short is. We will use the infrared camera for this. I just connected my lab power supply here, which provides sufficient current. And then let's have a look onto that board. So we first remove the macro lens because we want to, but it's probably above here. And let's have a look. Okay, we see something here. So this is actually there where we already observed the faulty capacitor. Let's have a quick look, and we see this cap is the problem. Alright, good. I think this is our only shortcut, so we will replace it. I will just get my soldering equipment. Alright, just prepared my soldering machine. We will now go and unsolder the cap. So we unsolder this cap, which is broken, and we will unsolder this cap to see what capacitance we have, or we maybe measure it over here. Let's have a look if this works. But we first unsolder this one and then check if the short is still present or not. All right, good. Okay, let's have a quick check if the short is gone. I'll just measure here. And the short is gone. We measure over 1 kilo ohm. This looks good. So we now need to measure what capacitance this gun has. We are going to remove that one to measure actually the power, to measure actually the capacitance. So we will remove that one also. And then returning both back. Let's measure it. .66 microfarads. What does this guy say? 7.66. Okay. Okay. 7.66, good. Let me check what we have here. Good. Let's have a quick look. Let's quickly measure if these are okay. All right, good. So let's check if we have a good contact, because they don't look very well, but let's see. So from here to here. Okay, we have 0.2 from here to here. 0.2 from here. We have 0.2. We have 0.2. So I just look at the small one here because the small one was under pressure while we were soldering. So I'm just checking this one. This looks good. I think this is the ground pad. Okay, I think it looks good. So this seems to be repaired. I will clean the PCB now a little bit, and then we will gonna try. So regarding this area, we will clean this a little bit. Okay, so let's have a look if this one is fixed. So what we are going to do is we connect this to here, and we see hey, we have 12 volts. And we connect this to here to see what is the power and if the lights are going on. So let's have a quick look. So we have 2 watts. Oh, it's booting up. It's booting up. You see it blinking? So this seems to work. All right, okay. Then let's quickly clean up the place and check the FRITZ. Hello, back again. The FRITZ is now working. We just had a quick check. We will run it for a longer time now, just to check if it boots up correctly before we mount the cover again. So we'll let it here. Okay, we have 12 volts, 1.1 watts. You can see the lights. Let's see what's happening. This one is blinking. All right. It's now booting up, so let's wait 1 or 2 minutes, then the Wi-Fi should also come up. see this one blinking here. So it needs more power. At the moment it's 2 watts, very less. Now we are 3 watts. And now the Wi-Fi is going on, so it's turned on. So I think it boots up normally. Let's see if it's stable. So we have at 5 watts at the moment, or almost 5 watts. All right, Wi-Fi is on. So this Fritzbox boots as expected. So what are we going to do now? We will take this away and we will. So this is Fritzbox 7 in my inventory, and now we can reassemble it. So very easy, put this in there. All right, then let's connect the power and let's wait until it's booted up again. And I will check for a network cable to connect it to the PC. So good, that's good. Okay, Wi-Fi is loaded. Then let's have a quick look in the browser. 131. All right. It's not coming up. Why isn't it coming up? Okay, now it's coming up. Good. Let's quickly check for the password. So it's bro 2857. All right, it's not working. So the Fritzbox is now available via LAN, but I do not know the password. So what we're going to do is we have to reset it. So I'm gonna set it to factory default. It is going to restart now, and then we will have a look what's going on with the Fritzbox. Okay, the Wi-Fi is up. All right. Then we have, and there it is. So then let's have a quick look at the password. Let's see if it works, and it works. So the Fritzbox is recovered again. All right. It's now going to be, because this is a branded one, it's the OEM 14101. But let's see if we can also use it with different providers. Okay, so we see the monitor DSL is not functioning, but I can use also other vendors, so it looks quite good. So I can set up the Wi-Fi. No, we don't need this. We have Wi-Fi 6 here already. This is band 2 and band 2.5 and 5G. At 2.4 and 5G, we have security, which already supports VPA3. So that's it. Fritzbox is recovered. Have a great day.